4.4 question number 1 second part, construct a quadrilateral TRUE. True. TR 3.5, RU, UE and angle R, angle U. You have given 3 sides and included angle. So first step, again draw a rough figure. I draw this quadrilateral and I can start. Tell me from where I should start. Suppose here T, then I start it anti-clockwise. U R T R U E. T R 3.5 centimeter, then RU 3 centimeter, then UE 4 centimeter, then angle R 75 degree, then angle U 120 degree. Because I didn't draw like this RU as a base. To make you clear that some students can write the points, they can start from anywhere. Then according what we want, RU 3 centimeter, here angle 75 degree, angle 120 degree. 75 degree included by side RT and RU, and this 120 degree included by side UE and RU. So it's easy for me to make a quadrilateral. So what would be your first step? Yes, I'll take RU as a base. I'll rotate this figure 90 degree and got rough figure like this. This point R here and this one here, RU. Clear? So 75 degree I can draw here and 120 degree I can draw here. No need to draw this figure again. Imagine it in your mind. So I am not going to draw here again, not more than this. Otherwise you will draw this rough figure again and again. I'll take RU as a base 3 centimeter. Take it 3 centimeter. RU, point RU, and is 3 centimeter. At R I have to draw 75 degree angle. So first I have to draw 90 degree. Intersect this 60 and 120. 60 पे रखना है, एक आर्क लगानी है, then 120 पे another arc. So it's your 90 degree, but I'll draw it dotted line because in this question I don't need 90 degree angle, I need 75 degree angle. So 90 plus 60 upon 2, you know 150 upon 2, 75. 75 lies between 90 and 60. So this one is 90 here on the main arc, this is 60. So put compass here and open any radius, 60, then 90. Not clear, now it's clear. Both the arc intersect and draw a ray, name it X. This is ray X. You make here angle XRU 75 degree. At R you make angle 75. Now at U 120 degree. At U you have to draw 120 degree angle. So it's 60, then 120. So it's 120 degree angle. Name this ray YU. Students, this is ray UY. Now next step, RT 3.5. T is 3.5 centimeter away. So measure 3.5 and cut an arc of 3.5 centimeter from ray RX and name this point as T. This point. and here UE 4 centimeter. So with U as the center and radius equal to 4 centimeter, draw another arc which intersect ray UY and name that point what? It's E, this point. Now allocate all the points T, R, U, E, join TE, and this T, R, U, E is your required quadrilateral. Now steps of construction. First, draw RU 3 centimeter. Make angle XRU 75 degree. Third step, make angle YUR 120 degree. Cut RT from the ray RX. How much? It's 3 centimeter. Now cut UE from ray UY 4 centimeter. Join TE. Last step, TRUE is your required quadrilateral. Clear?